Hello, hi JVNs. My name is Asif Ali, Faculty of Physiotherapy and Diagnostic, Jyoti Vidyapit, Women's University, Jaipur. Topic: Darkroom, Darkroom construction and design and layout. A darkroom A darkroom is a room from which normal light is excluded. It is made completely dark to allow the processing of light sensitive photographic material. Photographic material. Such a photographic material centrally located serviced by attached from the adjacent imaging room away from damp or hot area, accessible in terms of power and water supply, adjusting and viewing room. Attached are designed to transfer film cassette to and from the dark room without radiation light enter. It consists of a metallic structure with a lead inning to provide X-ray shielding. They are typically wall mount and include automark, interlock, dead doors, one door when other is open. It is also used for the temporary storage of load cassette. Minimum floor area of 10 square meter. Ceiling height of 25 to 3 meter. Size may be reduced depending upon the department need. Walls adjacent to the radiographic room should be sealed with correct thickness of the lead all the way to the ceiling. In the interest of both darkroom staff and film material alike, 60 mm 1.6 mm lead is mostly used. Non-porous flooring, non-porous flooring, non-slippery, chemical resistance, stain proof, durable and easy of maintain, light color, asphalt tiles and porcelain tiles, clay tiles and plastic tiles may be leave the dry darkroom. Wall ceiling, light in color to reflect as much light as possible onto the working surface. Easy to wipe or clean. Cover with chemical resistant material. Special special paint, varnish, ceramic or plastic walls. Walls light in color to reflect as much light as possible onto the working surface. Easy to wipe and clean. Cover with chemical resistant material and special paint, varnish, ceramic or plastic wall. Types of entrance: single door system, and double door system, and maze type system, labyrinth system and rotating system. Single door system, double door system, maze type entrance, labyrinth and rotating door system. Interlock system: one door open, another to close, and then another to open to one door is closed. One door is closed. And two side, dry side and wet side. Dry side, cassette packet, cassette, many size, various size, and film packet, many size, 10 by 10, 10 by 12 and 14 by 14. Cassette load and unload. Dry side is hang to film hanger is corner, and safe light above the safe light and pass box, and other side wet side. This side is chemical side such as developer, fixture and ranging, washing. Two processing are available: manual film processing and automatic film processing. Manual film processing is used to solution, developer, fixer, ranging and washing, and finally step drying. Various steps to move the film are complete a radiograph and X-ray film are sensitive to light, and darkroom is a visualization to film work process is a used to safe light. Safe light are a monochromatic lamp. Safe light use a monochromatic lamp such as olive green, yellow. This color are sensitive visualization power is high, and darkroom are locate is a X-ray room. Darkroom is a film processing room. Enclosed area or chamber on chamber dimly lit by safe light, usually red, but otherwise initially light proof room where film are handled and processed. Darkroom layout Darkroom layout. A room should be set aside as a permanent darkroom, ideally with a floor area of not less than 10 square meter. The room must be capable of being made completely light proof. It should not be damp or subject to extreme of temperature. Water and electrical outlet should be provided. Sufficient space to accommodate a dry bench, a wet bench and a sink. Too large room is an undesirable as small room should be near the X-ray examination area. Should be well ventilated. The wall should be constructed of solid should be well ventilated. Too large room is undesirable. A small room should be near the X-ray examination area. Should be well ventilated. The wall should be constructed of solid concrete 15 cm thick lead box inside to store boxes of unexposed film currently in use. The wall and roof should be painted by white or cream enamel. A paint acts as a good reflecting surface for safe light. X-ray rotating warning. Light in half hallway. Switch on. That X-ray machine is operating. Location. Darkroom location centrally located, serviced by from the adjacent imaging room, away from damp or hot area, accessible in terms of power and water supply. Adjoining viewing room. Size. Minimum size of 10 square meter. Ceiling height of 2.5 to 3 meter. Size may be reduced depending upon the department need. Light proof. The first requisite of processing room is the exclusion of all external white light when radiographs are processed. Photosensitive crystalline film emulsion are extremely sensitive to visible light, and any light leaking around a door or window may fog and ruin the film. A door that can be locked to avoid accidental exposure of film to white light. Alternatively, a light outside the door indicating that the darkroom is in use. When the white light in the darkroom is switched off, the indicating light outside automatically goes in. Radiation protection. Wall adjacent to the radiographic room should be sealed with correct thickness of the lead all the way to the ceiling in the interest of both the room staff and film material alike. 1.6 mm lead is mostly used. Floor, non-porous flooring, non-slippery flooring, stain-proof, durable and easy maintain, light clear asphalt tiles, porcelain tiles, clay tiles, plastic tiles may be used in the dry dark rooms. Wall ceiling, light in color to reflect in much light as possible onto the working surface, easy to wipe or clean, cover with chemical resistant material, special paint, varnish and ceramic plastic walls. Any doubt and any query to comment box. Thank you.